To add to cart in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your online store. Navigate to the Wix editor, where you can customize and manage your website. In the Wix editor, click on the Add button on the top bar. Then select More from the drop-down menu, and choose the Add to Cart option. This will open the Add to Cart settings, where you can configure the button according to your needs. Choose the type of button you want to add, either a Buy Now or Add to Cart button. You can also customize the button's design, including its text, color, and shape. To connect the Add to Cart button to a product, click on the Connect to Product button and select the product from your Wix store. You can also set up the button to open a product page or a checkout page. Make sure to save your changes to apply the settings to your website. Best practices for using the Add to Cart feature in Wix include making sure the button is visible and accessible on all devices, customizing the button to match your brand, and testing the button to ensure it works correctly. By following these steps and tips, you can easily add an Add to Cart button to your Wix website and start selling products online. When using the Add to Cart feature, keep in mind that Wix offers various payment and shipping options to help you manage your online store. You can set up payment methods, configure shipping rates, and manage orders and inventory. By utilizing these features, you can create a seamless shopping experience for your customers and grow your online business. In summary, adding an Add to Cart button in Wix is a straightforward process that requires minimal technical expertise. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a functional and user-friendly online store that meets your business needs.